Currently, I'm in my ServiceNow instance. Once you install and configure ScreenMeet, we will be a widget within your ServiceNow tickets or incident. Let's go ahead and create a new session and start with remote control. So click over here to enable. You can also start with admin privileges and or record the session. Let's go ahead and create a new session and guide your end user to myhelpscreen.com, or you can share out this URL. If they go to myhelpscreen.com, they're going to input a 6-digit PIN. It's going to be 115918. This will be a new PIN each and every time, and we prompted a small download. Once the support session is complete, that file will auto-delete from the remote device. Once the end user opens the file, the end user is advised if the agent can view their screen with remote control enabled. They will need to allow and consent. And once they enter into the session, the agent screen will update, advising the session is live, and click to enter. So currently I can view the end user screen. Let's go ahead and start screen annotation. This will be our laser pointer. So when you do double click, this will enlarge the laser pointer. Switch over to our brush, draw that over there. Switch over to shapes. You can modify the colors, undo, clear, and exit out. You can start remote control. Now you can help drive the end user's device. Let's move this window and then minimize this. I have shortcuts to the Windows tools, so open up programs and features. You can open or modify any applications or programs. Let's go to terminal. We're going to input ipconfig and run that. We have shortcuts to the custom tools, so any frequent applications you can customize. Shortcut to the Explorer, desktop, systems. You can even run commands and scripts. Any of the items in the blue and yellow shield will require admin privileges, so let's go ahead and request that. And also known as user account control. This will allow for admin privileges on the remote device. So if the agent's seeing a black screen for the end user, that is a notification for the end user to allow the application to make changes to the remote device. And you'll also notice on the workflow in the beginning that we can start with admin privileges as well. And that'll help reduce steps in the agent's workflow. Great, so now that is enabled, let's go ahead and go to the device manager. Go to batteries, right click and update drivers. We won't update the drivers for the demo purposes, but you get the idea. Let's go ahead and reboot to safe mode. So please note that users are required to have a hardline connection to the network, as the Wi-Fi is disabled in safe mode. And let's go ahead and go to the clipboard to enable and copy the items from the agents and paste it over for the end user's device. Put that right there. We can take screenshots and download to the local device or upload to the end user. The system information of the remote device. Can zoom in, zoom out. Modify stream performance. Invite additional agents by enabling the URL and copy the URL to send that out. Bi-directional file transfer. We have a lightweight chat. And once you do end the session and close session, this actually creates an audit trail of the activity history and embeds it back into the ServiceNow ticket or incident. So go ahead and refresh, Go back into the session details. This will be the system information of the remote device. And the other tab, this will be the activity history along with timestamps between the agent and end user. Hope you found this video helpful and learned how to use ScreenMeet's remote support tool within ServiceNow.